bird dying or something. What happened to it? Oh, right into the tree. Oh. I don't know where he's going. Shh. Somebody must have shot him. Where'd it go? There it is. Oh, he don't even know what he's doing. He's hurt. He must have broke his neck or...
Tree.
I'm gonna start flapping at you. Here he goes again. Oh. Yeah, it must have ran into a tree or something. Broke its neck. Look at this thing. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Oh, his neck's broken.
Yeah, it looks like it.
Good
job, Bella.
Don't go that close.
It'll go right into you.
Bella, if it flies near you, close your eyes and turn around. Stop. The bird, his neck is broken. He must have ran into a tree or something.
It's a yellow.
We're screening doors.
Whoa, heads up, heads up. It's a yellow thing. It just came from the tree right there.
Maybe an animal got
Had to have ran into a
I don't
house
know.
or something. Nah, it's going that way.
Something wrong with his wing?
I think it's
No,
his
it's
neck.
not.
The neck
His
keeps
neck.
going around. Come here, I'll give you a massage.
He's going to, what?
Yeah. The yellow.
Yellow wings.
Cool looking.
Mm-hmm. I don't want to fly into my face.
Somebody must have Windex or windows rolled up.
Couldn't see. There it goes.